I'm Nigel from Math Video and Physics, and these are all radioactive. In this video, we're going to see why. First off, I'd say we should probably get this big bowl out of the way so we can look at some of the smaller stuff. This bowl actually has uranium glaze on the sides. If you can see this orange, that actually contains uranium. It's radioactive. Let's see just how radioactive it is. The sensor in this device is right on the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the sensor right up to the parts that are orange that have uranium in them. Oh look, it's greater than 500 counts per minute. Counts per minute is just a way of measuring radiation. Essentially 500 particles are flying at this counter per minute. But wait, I said it's over 500 counts per minute. So that means we need to go to the next scale called times 10. And basically we times the reading by 10. So if we were reading that on this scale, then that would mean we are reading 5,000 counts per minute. And we're reading 1,000 counts per minute. I also have a few samples here that are in many ways very similar to the previous one because they still have that same uranium oxide glaze. So why in the heck would you put uranium in dinnerware? Well, back in the 20s, 30s, 40s when this stuff was being made, we knew about radiation, we knew what it was, but we did not know the health effects. Radium, a cancer-causing element, was literally in everything from toothpaste to lotion. I've seen several insane things that radioactive material should not be in. But radium was rare. It took several tons of uranium to just get a few grams of radium. So as you can imagine, there's a ton of uranium waste being produced. So what should they do with it? Well, at the time, uranium was really the only way to get such a vibrant orange. So they just went for it and they added it to all kinds of dinnerware and all of that related stuff. So why was it stopped? You may think the production of this stuff would have been stopped because, well, we learned more about radiation and the harmful health effects it could cause. But the real reason it was stopped was because of World War II. All the uranium was confiscated for use in the bombs, and no more was allowed in this. During these times, there's a lot learned about radiation and a lot learned about physics. We had learned the potential risks involved with using uranium like this. And so by the time those limits were lifted, we didn't want to use it anymore. But making glazes was definitely not the only use of uranium during this time. Meet uranium glass. Uranium was added to glass to give it fluorescent properties. And last, but absolutely not least, let's look at my favorite uranium product. It's also a glaze, but it's extremely rare. We are currently on the times 10 setting. It's been Nigel from Alpha Game Physics here. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share this video with anyone who you think might like it, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you next time. Thanks for watching.